In this quick JoyToKey tutorial, I'll show you, step by step, how to map your controller to keyboard and mouse in under a minute. First, open JoyToKey. Double-click the JoyToKey icon, then click Yes if Windows asks for permission. When JoyToKey opens, look at the top left. You'll see a profile list. Click the Create button to make a new profile, and give it a clear name like My Gamepad Setup. Now, check that JoyToKey detects your controller. Move the joystick or press a button. On the right side, the matching entry should flash in yellow. If nothing lights up, go to the top menu, click Settings, then Configure Joysticks, and make sure your controller is selected as Joystick 1. Once your controller is recognized and your profile is created, we're ready to map buttons to keyboard keys. Let's map a button. In the list, double-click the entry that flashed when you pressed your main action button, usually button 1 or button 2. A configuration window pops up. In the Keyboard tab, click inside the keyboard field, then press the key you want, like the spacebar for jump. You should see space appear. Click OK to save that mapping. Back in the main window, you'll see the assigned key listed next to that button. Repeat this for your other buttons. Double-click, press a key, click OK, so you cover movement, actions, and menus exactly how you like. To save your setup, go to File, then click Save. This keeps your profile ready every time you launch JoyToKey. You're done! Minimize JoyToKey, open your game, and test your controller. If something feels off, come back, tweak the mappings, and save again.